Road trip tayo! Hi, David!
Yasi, halika! You want to go there? She's in the mountain.
See? Is your rainy season. And this ritual po, ginagawa nila yan after bit of communication. Kasi before, wala pa po tayo.
Sila po isa po po rin ang pinakawaling keyboard po.
Hi!
Po! Ayan, Miss Parrot po. Hindi po.
Ano?
Baka abutin ka mo. Diyan lang. Hi! Ayun mga ostrich chassis oh.
Hindi niya kaya.
Ano?
Hindi naman niya kaya.
Hi!
Yung miniature.
You can read it. What's that?
Hindi ko naman tirkulit. Star.
What's that?
Maganda po kayo ng pictures po sa ating mga...
Like this. Okay, just relax. Okay, Amanda, come on, just put your palms, okay? And then, Akiko, wait for your turn. Oh, how many degrees can an apple? Okay, there you go. Once again, this is Almond. Maxine is our Burmese python. It can...
Safety reminders lang po.
Ayun siya, Yasi. Oh, hello. Wow.
This way na po tayo.
Sleeping siya. Hi!
Para ma-divide ka na po. Para
Okay, so...
Ma'am, sige lang po.
Yasi!
Safety tayo. Dito ka lang titingin.
Look! Okay, halika na. Yasi oh. Yasi! Yasi!
And here's a little known secret of yan. At
See that? Good job, girl. See what we mean? A little bit funny on land. Now,
that is a big, wet, juicy fishy. Here. Okay, let's offer your cheeks. Okay, let's close your offer cheeks. And get the counter out. Wow! That was the juicy one. So now. And here comes our challenger. Mr. Christian, let's do this game. Why don't we begin this time?
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Umalis kami dun sa stadium.
Kasi
May nalaglag na tao. Sa show.
yeah, I know. Tapos yung nag-feed sa state train sa sila ng yung binigyan ng juicy fish.
Hi! Let's go!
Sasamalang laway para yung baga. Also not a very bad. Now, we through and me to really okay, let's get some fun facts.
Hi! Dito kami ni Yasi. Kunin mo to. Punta ka doon, bilis sa Christmas tree. Bye!
Hi guys, my favorite doll. So first we have Hey Hey.
Hey, hey!
Pretties. Chocolate cookies. I think it's fruity. We got these cups. I bought one for Harvey. I bought one for me. There you go.
Yay! What will...
Sana sikat ako ng electric fan na si Harvey eh. Sabi ni Mami, wag na. Baso na lang.